Hey guys, today we're going to be doing ASMR on these slimes, the ones that we did for Floam. And Sebastian's here.
Hi.
Sorry, go.
We're gonna see which one has a surprise.
Yeah, my mom put something in someone's, and we don't know which one.
Yeah, like she ordered two slimes. One of them have a package.
No. We actually no. We made this slime on my channel when we did how to make foam slime or whatever with borax.
And you heard that my phone turned off, so go check out my channel, Wolf Slime.
So yeah. Okay, so we're gonna do. I don't know which one. I swear I don't know which one has a toy in it. My mom hasn't showed it. She said one has a toy in it. She said it's a little clear slime.
So I'm gonna check the purple one. She's gonna check the yellow one.
Cause that one's mine. Do you think you can open mine? Cause I'm holding the camera.
Okay. There, I'm gonna open mine.
Oh my gosh! I literally. That's just a bubble. I have a feeling Jason's gonna have a toy in it.
Me too. But I have a feeling yours is.
Oh my god!
Wait. What is
that? My mom. Oh my gosh! This is so cute.
You're so lucky.
Oh my gosh! I'm gonna do ASMR for you guys. But let's just do ASMR on this one. You wanna do ASMR first?
Okay.
By the way, not sponsored. He doesn't know I'm not sponsored.
Oh wait, that means it's not
Sponsored.
like it doesn't come with.
Oh, whatever you say. By the way, my phone bags. And my borax.
This is not included. We're not giving this away. Sorry.
These are none of this is giving away, by the way. So do your ASMR, and then you're gonna hold the camera for me so I can do my ASMR.
Okay.
Yeah, do whatever you want with it, dude.
All right, guys.
Don't put it in the middle.
Okay.
Remember?
We need to move this then. So now
I'm so excited for this. Bounce.
I just need to learn how to make a swirl with this, guys. What I usually do is go like this.
And you're wondering, we're still at Joanna's house? Yes, we are. We're still.
So we're making the video at nighttime still.
Yeah. It's.
Will I save them all? And we're leaving tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow we're leaving. Go. Yay, bubble!
All right, I think it's your turn now.
Do you want to hold the camera for me?
Okay, just like.
Because I can't do ASMR with one hand. Wait. I like opening it, then doing it.
Okay.
Hold it. Not so close.
I don't
Pretend I opened it. This was the yellow foam slime I was talking about.
So guys, to tell you, I got slime on my shirt.
Sorry, I was telling him to hold the camera.
So I got slime on my shirt.
Yeah, let's show them.
And now it's making my stomach feel weird.
Okay, hold this. Let me just put my sleeves down because.
Just in case it gets too sticky.
Watch this, guys. I love putting a rolling pin. Oddly satisfying.
Wait, did that came with it?
No, it didn't.
Guys, after this, I'm gonna do one SMCR, whatever.
What? ASMR?
Yeah, one more after this.
Okay, no. Actually, after this, I'm gonna do ASMR. Do you know how to hold a camera?
Oh, you want me to hold it like this? Okay.
Yeah, so I can like. Don't cover the with your ugly fingers.
I'm not doing nothing.
Oh, look, I made it a donut. Oh my god. I'm gonna call this yellow sunset or like lemon crunch.
Mine's is gonna be grape crunch.
Rainbow grape crunch.
No, I think the soda crush.
Oh yeah, rainbow soda crush.
But it's not even rainbow.
I know. Well, okay, now I want to do the clear little slime.
Wait, can I do a quick ASMR?
Oh my gosh, you want to do ASMR all the time?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Oh, why didn't I think of that?
I hid it for you to think of
Oh
that.
my god, you're so bad.
I know you would use it.
Really, Sebastian? Really?
All right, guys. Okay. Now,
I hate you.
I don't care.
Oh my god.
All the foams! Let's try making a swirl.
Okay.
Oh my
There was a dog and she was, the dog was, and then the dog was moving back.
And now, Bonna, if you could help and I'll hold the camera.
Okay, let me help you. You hold the camera. I hate doing this. Oh my god, I hate doing this for you.
Well, I can't clean this. Okay, maybe I shouldn't hide it.
Yeah, you should have. I mean, you shouldn't. Hide it.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Ugh. Okay, there. Now let me do the little clear slime. Let me show. Can I show them the little clear slime? Let's open it. Come on.
And it has fruit in it.
I know. This is so cute. I've seen this all over Instagram.
I think I want to do that. Why don't you put that in a slime?
What? Okay, come closer, dude.
Okay. Yeah.
How is the cat feeling?
Okay, guys. She made
She does not.
Clear slime with the fruits. This is.
borax.
It-
Just clear slime
Oh
and
my
borax.
gosh, guys, look at that.
Guys,
didn't make it, actually.
I think I wanna get clear glue now to make.
Oh, tomorrow. I think my clear glue is coming.
It's a gallon. I'm just gonna get all 4 gallons probably.
I'm probably gonna get like 3 more gallons in the mail.
I'm getting 4 gallons of glue and 4 gallons of clear glue probably. I don't know. I'm
Ta-da!
only.
The ASMR's done.
Bye.
Make sure to like and subscribe and share.
And subscribe to my channel,
What is it called again?
the wolf slime. So subscribe to my channel. Bye.
Okay, see you guys later. Bye bye.